Like, I think
looks like they were in the stock room playing soccer with
it does. What's good, Soul Squad? Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Today we're back at it with another sneaker video. We got Cody joining us today again. And yeah, we're going to be going over the brand new Air Jordan 5 Moonlight / Oreo colorway. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into it.
This, you ain't subscribed, you just sneak this in. You gotta hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, this is my first pair of shoes. I haven't had a pair of shoes before. Today is September 25th, 2021, and the Air Jordan 5 in the Moonlight / Oreo colorway has dropped. Just before we get into it, Soul Squad, I just want to say we're so close to the big 500 goal. You guys know this. So many bangers coming out, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for all your support. It really means a lot. And yeah, back to these fives. So, me and Cody were able to reserve a pair of the Air Jordan 5 in the Moonlight / Oreo colorway. I'm pretty excited about it. I remember a few years back when I started looking into shoes, this was one of the first shoes I saw, but it was like $300 on StockX, so that was a no-go. But they re-released, and I'm super happy about it. First Air Jordan 5 released in 1990. It was designed by Tinker Hatfield, and it's really just one of those models of Jordan that really stands out, really pops. So something I do like and notice is that the box is a little bit different from some of the other 5s. Mainly all black. It's kind of Oreo colorway, white Jumpman on the top. I'll give you guys a look at the size tag. Is it just me, or have they been doing size tags?
Yeah, that was weird.
Like on the lid?
I've seen a couple like that.
Yeah, I think the Fire Red 5s also came like that. Just a weird thing for me. $190 plus tax on the retail. I think we switched up the boxes because this is size 10. But I'll give you guys the official colors: black / cool gray white. And that's all the colors, 2 colors. But yeah, I guess we should just dive right into it. I'm very excited to see what these look like. I was seeing that quality control isn't best. As always, I'll give you guys first look.
Jesus Christ. These are busted.
I'll give you guys first look as always. Midsole's white. Boom!
Looks like someone spit on these
okay.
multiple times.
Like, I think
looks like they were in the stock room playing soccer with
it does have that suede that, like, looks like I don't know, the suede is, like, tough to describe. It's not like that really, really nice suede. It's kind of like the suede that you see after it's been worn a while. There is some quality control issues. Do you see any in yours? Because I'm seeing some on mine.
Oh, he's terrible.
I think that one, oh yeah, it looks like there's a crease. I have some scratches near the lace holders, but man, these are dope. When you throw these on, you're not going to notice any of that though, but these are dope colorway, just a clean.
They're definitely going to notice.
How would you notice?
They're going to know.
They're not going to know. But literally, this is a clean colorway. You have to give it that. Air Jordan 5 like it. Oh, we don't have the reflective up here. This white sock liner looks super dope. Right off the bat, yeah, I think I was actually surprised these were sitting in some places. It's a clean colorway. I don't really see anything wrong with the shoe at all. Like a lot of people want stuff that they can wear all the time, and this is definitely one of those shoes. So I don't know why they would be sitting in the first place.
I feel like they are going to go up in price now.
Yeah, definitely, because it's just a very versatile colorway.
The ice bottoms is nice.
In the ice, yeah. I remember when I got my first Air Jordan 5, I used to just look at the bottoms, give it a nice rub.
It's pretty weird, man.
It is
a nice
but,
rub.
Like, cause I don't know, I was just so fascinated by it, like that right there. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive into these details. Starting from the bottom, you got that beautiful icy bottom, black Jordan Jumpman. Some traction pads down here across, nothing too crazy, but definitely very, very clean. Midsole. nice white. You get that visible air bubble. You get the Oreo wings, and then stitches on the front and on the back. You have the Jumpman in white. I mean, it just looks like a clean shoe. Like,
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
yeah. I no complaints. This sock liner too, that contrast that it gives really does look good. You have clear netting on the sides, and you are laced up with black laces.
It looks like someone just like threw a bunch of powder on them. Like, how do they get like this?
Bro, honestly, oh yeah, okay. So the lace holders are clear with the black bottle, but man, I really liked it. It was another release that when I knew I was gonna be able to cop them, I was excited for. It seemed like, I don't know, the reserves on Nike were filled, so it's kind of like something that sells out on sneakers, sells out on Nike, but other places that sell shoes, they might sit for a day, a week, but then after they're gonna be gone for good. No complaints. The tongue is very soft. You have this gray Jordan Jumpman on the tongue, and then on the back you have that Air Jordan. So what are your overall thoughts on these, Cody?
I don't know. I like quality control. They're pretty nice. It's like, yeah, a nice Jordan for what's been coming out. Like the Obsidian's pretty whack. All the other drops, pretty bad. But these are nice. Pretty nice.
When you take it out of the box, quality is the first thing a lot of people look at. So definitely, if you have the chance to look at your pair, make sure to check it out. But it is a clean silhouette. It's a classic colorway, and I've been waiting on these, so I'm definitely happy. The insole is looking like a black with white classic. Like, look at the embroidery on the back. Looks really good. So what are you thinking overall rating on the shoe? And also, question, what do you think they would be better with white laces? Like white laces?
Maybe, I don't know. I'd have to see it. Probably give it like a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
It just looks like, I don't know, they had to be playing football with these in the back room or something.
Honestly,
I don't get how it gets like this.
I'm super excited for it, and I was so glad I was able to cop. You guys have to let me know your guys' thoughts on these. Overall, I like them. I'm not seeing too much more they could have added to add some pizzazz to the shoe. The box looks great. Yeah, pizzazz. Taking it back.
I've never heard anybody use that word.
I just did. The box looks great. A lot of people who display the box, they're gonna like this release just because the little extra details that go into it. I was wondering, why did they not just go with the Oreo V2 like they did the Shadow 2.0? Why the Moonlight? That was something that was interesting for me. But if you guys have the opportunity to cop these for retail, I say this a lot, don't sleep, because after they sell out, prices are slowly going to go up, and by the time you realize you should have got them, they're going to be going for like $300. So make sure you guys cop them if you have the chance. Honestly, it's one of the cleaner fives of the year. I really don't have any complaints at all. The contrast, they didn't add too much white, they didn't add too much black. It really flows good and looks good and appealing on the shoe. Anything else you have to add for the shoe?
Nike, if I get another pair like this, I'm coming to your back room. I'm confiscating all your badges. This is unacceptable.
Yeah, some of the boxes were damaged too that I saw. But if you guys are local to the Las Vegas area, make sure to check us out, Akame Cakes, Kicked Out OV, and Jordan in Vegas, to keep up with our everyday lives. We do some fun stuff, you know, enjoyable stuff, entertaining stuff, doing a lot of stuff. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to stay tuned. We're going to be going over Cody's sneaker collection very soon, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, let me know your guys' comments on these. Like I said, solid 9 out of 10, and my advice to you is do not sleep on these. These are going to be something that you're going to regret if you do sleep on them. But, what are your overall final thoughts, final opinions?
Every time you ask me the question, I'm not going to lie. It's been the same 9 out of 10. That's all I gotta say.
That's all I got to say. Anyway, Soul Squad, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's episode. Let me know any video ideas, video suggestions you guys would like to see. Of course, we always have like the vlogs coming out and the sneaker reviews coming out, but I want to hear if you guys have any interesting ideas. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope y'all have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Big things coming soon. We on the rise. Once we hit this 500 subs, we going crazy. We gonna buy the moon, open a sneaker store on the moon. You know? But yeah, like for real. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It really means a lot. And yeah. Anything?
No.
That's it, man. A few words. Podcast coming soon. Winter 2022. No, winter 21. Winter 21/January.
It's 2022.
2021
21,
January.
I gonna do an outro?
That was the outro.
Okay, yeah. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras, turn it off. Banger right there.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Cody does not get paid at all, that is true. Do it for the love of the game. Student of the game. It's so simple and plain. Is that how it goes?
No.
Yeah. Other than that, not a lot to say. Very dope. Alrighty guys. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's episode. Let me know. I've been putting out so much content lately. Hope you guys enjoy it. Sneak collection video on the way. A bunch of skits. I don't know. We've been putting out so much What's today's date?
25th. Well, now it's 26th. Because it's 1 in the morning.
Today is Saturday, Today is September 26th, 19... What?